ugao iza. Pa tamo komšije, neighbors, and their junk. Stable with the ponies. Huge barn or garage and mobile home is behind. And huge meadow. Dry one on this side of the creek. All fenced, full fenced. Just I don't know where. You have to have easement from neighbors here, which is probably not so bad because they already have a road here for themselves. But you have to probably pay them for something like that. And the fence is good. Perfect fence actually. No, don't tuck. Don't do that. Možda je nešto povezano sa strujom, Ana. So that part was fenced at some point for little baby cows, or I don't know. And it's all elm. There are no pine trees over there at all. So that's the second part, triangle. Ok, sedi. Jel dobra? Ponesi ako ne. Ovaj ovdje. Snimam, Ana. Snimam. Snimam i završit će se za minut.
Daj možeš da pogledaš. Možeš se kameru. Ama.
Pa ne treba ti, baci.
Ne.
Nice meadow. Just this property.